Alrighty, so here I have a pork butt, Boston butt. This is almost 10 pounds. This is going to take a little while to cook. Now today I have my smoker set 225. I'm going to be using the competition hardwood blend along with some apple. Alright, I don't have a whole lot of fat on here, but I do have a little bit. So I want to try to get some of that off. You don't have to get a whole lot of it off because you want some of that fat to render down. Alright, get that side. Put it over. And any little pieces of meat that you see that just flapping around, take them off because they will burn. You want to try to trim it up as close to the meat as you can. Alright, that's looking pretty good. A little piece right here. Alright, like I said, I'm not going to be using any type of a binder today. I'm just going to be putting the seasoning on there. Seasoning is going to stick to it, no problem. Alright, first off, I'm going to start out with this high elevation salt, pepper, and garlic blend. This is a 10-pound piece of meat, so you can be quite liberal with your seasoning on there. I want to try this sweet heat from Willow Seasoning and Blends. So what we're doing is we're looking for an internal temperature to hit 175. Then we're going to take it off the smoke. We're going to put it into an aluminum tray. We're going to cover it with aluminum foil, and we're shooting for between 205 and 210, depending on the doneness. I'm figuring this is going to be at least an 8 or 10 hour cook. That's why I'm starting so early in the morning. And fat cap up. We have now hit the point in there where it's called the stall point, where it is stalling. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull it off the heat. We're going to put it in the pan and we're going to wrap it. That's going to be really, really good. Alright, get that in there. Wrapped up there like that. Now, by wrapping it, it's going to do two things. One is, that was hot by the way. One is it's going to start to make that internal temperature rise, but it's also going to start making that meat really tender and just fall apart juicy. Check out Willow Seasonings. Again, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Alrighty, so we have reached an internal temperature now of 205 degrees. We're going to go ahead and pull this off and check it. So first thing you do is the smell. You can just smell it. It smells so, so good. Look at the steam coming out of it. Oh yeah. Pull it apart nicely. Clean right off the bone. Oh man. Look at the smoke ring in there. Can you get a close-up shot of that? Look at that smoke ring on that. Oh yeah. And that's that sweet heat. Last thing I want to do, find a piece here that's not going to burn the hell out of me. There you go, folks. We started this at 9 o'clock. It's now 4:30. We're done. I hope you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.